Hi, my name is Martha Medrano, a dietitian and public citizen here to propose an amendment to the policy on school wellness programs. As you may know, childhood overweight and obesity has not improved across all age groups since the Child Nutrition Reauthorization Act in 2004. Body mass index is used to measure interventions and calculate health risks. Safeguards should be in place to assure privacy and emotional well-being in school children. My proposed option strives to produce decreased obesity in children at minimal cost. My first policy alternative today would involve dietitians and public health professionals, each assigned to one school. Similar interventions have reduced overweight and obesity in children by 4%. Cost was calculated at $145 per student per year based on Massachusetts salaries and school population. An advantage would be expert recommendations provided, and a disadvantage could be the relatively higher cost. Cost would be reduced if we assigned each health professional multiple schools. A second policy alternative I would like to introduce today is regarding the school wellness committees. School nurses, dietitians, public health professionals would either initiate or engage school wellness committees um, that would be run by a parent-teacher association. Similar outcomes have shown decreases in BMI scores. The cost is low but varied depending on the school wellness committee's recommendations. So an advantage would be no salary costs associated with a volunteer school wellness committee. A disadvantage would be that the members are not health experts. And the final policy alternative I wanted to present would appoint interns in health professional fields to be the lead wellness program developers. Similar interventions have found that childhood obesity prevalence is reduced by more than 4%. Cost was almost $6 per student per year. An advantage would be the relatively low cost and the use of updated information from interns. A disadvantage would be the short-term connection to the intern. However, interns could be encouraged to develop a program that could be overtaken by school staff. Therefore, I provide you a final recommendation to choose the third policy alternative, as it is the most feasible, sustainable, efficacious, and cost-effective option presented today. So let's make the right choice and help decrease childhood obesity. Thank you for your time.